In today's video, I want to show you how I actually made $233.59 with just one single YouTube video. Wow, this is mind-blowing. I know you watching this video, you might not be a YouTuber, but I want to show you how YouTubers are likely to make money. And I happen to be a YouTuber for over the years now, and I've been making money from my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I want to show you how much I made with just one single video, the total view that video actually accumulated for me, the watch time hour, and the total amount of subscribers that video actually accumulated for me, that was able to make me $233 with just a single video. So if you come over now to this particular YouTube video analytics, this happens to be one of my video. As you can see, it's clearly stated here, this video have gotten 59,071 views since it was published. With just 59,000 views, I made $233 and a total subscriber of 1,400 subscribers and watch time hour 3,500 watch time hour. You know, this is to tell you that YouTubers make money, like they make cool cash. So if you have to check out the reach of the video, I just want to quickly show you the analytics of the video, then I'll show you what I actually did, how I created this video, which is very simple. I didn't even spend money for creating this video. Impression, the video have already gotten 423.9k impression, then impression click-through rate of 9.8%. That's very, you know, on the high side. Impression click-through rate is very encouraging, because the normal impression click-through rate for YouTube is actually around I think about 6 to 7 or thereabout. If you can get about 6 to 7 click-through rate, it's a very nice one. But as you can see, this video is getting 9.8% click-through rate and view 59k views. So this is highly amazing, and the video actually got all of its traffic from YouTube direct search. That's it, that all of the traffic that this video got that actually generated this revenue were all organic traffic. YouTube direct search, then other search features, then browse features, direct and unknown, suggested videos, and all of that. So everything that actually came for this video are mainly YouTube direct search. That's organic traffic. So the YouTube search term that was actually bringing views for this particular video was known as Pico Workers. As you all know, Pico Worker, which is now currently Sprout Gig. I actually did a video about them, and then I published the video on my YouTube channel, not knowing that the video will go viral. As at when I published the video, you know, the views was actually moving very slowly. Like it moved from around 100 and something, it moved up to 200 and something, 500, 600, until it moved up to 1,000. Now it went up until the point it got to 59,000 views. So this video actually blew up overnight, like making me money and getting me a lot of subscribers and a lot of watch time. But if you check the engagement of this video, how people have been engaging with the video, as you can see, people are really engaging with the particular video. So everything you really need to know about this video is that the organic traffic of YouTube is capable of making you hundreds and thousands of dollars. Let's check out the audience. As you can see, both returning viewers, people were actually returning, new viewers, returning viewers, people are even still returning to consume this particular video. Then let's check out the revenue. The revenue, $239.54. Then if you scroll down to check out the RPM of this video, you'll see that the video is actually getting an RPM of $3.95, then a CPM of $9.37, just this single video. So this is highly amazing. This is that there are a lot of money to be made from YouTube. You can actually become a YouTube content creator and make cool cash from it. But how did I actually do this? I know you'll be wondering, okay Daniel, now you have shown us that it is possible to make money online with YouTube, and you actually made $233 with just a single YouTube video. And if I'm to tell you, I have over 200 videos on my YouTube channel, so do the math yourself. Even if some of the videos didn't actually make up to this amount, but some of them will equally make as more, at least, you know, you make some huge amounts of money as well. So do the math yourself on a channel that have over 200 and something videos, how much that channel might have been able to accumulate over time. So this is a proof to you that YouTube content creation is another amazing way to actually make money online. So let's still go on further, and I'll show you how I actually do this thing. So the big question is, how did I actually created this video? It's just a 16-minute video that actually got me this money, and it haven't even stopped there. It's still counting. I'm making this money completely on autopilot. I can't even remember the exact date that I actually published this video, and this video has been making me money on the side without me doing the work again, and it's completely on autopilot. Like, I'm very happy that I actually created this video. So if you come over now to this website, it's known as Sprout Gig. It was once Pico Workers. This website was the website I actually did a video about, and as you can see, the title of the video is actually Make Money Online with Pico Workers to start doing tasks. So when it was Pico Workers, that's when I actually created it. It was just me reviewing the website. So how did I actually review this website? I actually made use of my Flashback Express, which happens to be a video screen recorder for YouTube content creators. If you're a YouTube content creator, you can visit Flashback Express. Let me take you over to their website. Flashback Express is an easy to use screen recorder. It's a powerful and equally comes with a powerful editor. So if you're a YouTube content creator that want to be recording your screen, running screen recording video, I'll recommend Flashback Express. I'll leave the download link in this video description below so that you can check it out and download it for yourself. Flashback Express is a free software that can actually help you screen record your screen. This video you are watching right now is being recorded with Flashback Express. To prove that to you, this is my Flashback Express software. If I'm to open it, you see that it's already recording at this corner section here. Then after I record everything, I record my screen. Now it will now come out as a video for me. Then I have to take it down to my video editing software, which is actually the Adobe Premiere Pro, which you can actually get. Is very easy to use. Then I actually have to open up a new project and I start editing. I don't want to take you over on the Adobe editing tutorial in this video because it's not the reason why we actually came here. So this is how the Adobe Premiere Pro video editing software actually looks like, but I don't want to take you on Adobe Premiere tutorial video in this video now because it's not the reason why we're here. I'm actually showing you. Then after editing my video, I have to export it out as a video. Then as soon as I export it out as a video, I come over to my YouTube channel and then I upload the video. As soon as I uploaded the video, I left it to start running. The YouTube algorithm started doing the magic for me. As you can see, if you come over to the reach, you will discover that all of the traffic source actually came from YouTube direct search. That's to tell you that the YouTube algorithm actually helped me to generate this amount of views and this amount of money and this amount of subscribers by itself without me doing any further work after recording and uploading the video. So it's very much possible, guys, for you to actually make money online from YouTube, like decent cash completely on autopilot. And I know so many people think it's very difficult to succeed on YouTube. Yes, it's very difficult to succeed on YouTube, and it's equally very easy to succeed on YouTube. If you put in the hard work, you put in your mind, and you stay so determined and focused, and you equally understand that you have to stick to a particular niche, because that's the most important thing you need to consider before thinking of succeeding on YouTube. So guys, that's it. Do not forget, if you want to learn how to become a YouTube content creator, drop your comments in the comment section below. I'll guide you through how to actually go about it. As you can see, a video with less than 60,000 views actually made me $233 completely on autopilot, got me 1,400 subscribers and 3,500 watch time hour. So this I have to call it a wrap, guys, on this particular video. To learn how to become a YouTube content creator, drop your comment in the comment section below. Like this video. If you have already gotten benefit or value from this video, do not forget, my name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is that I publish YouTube content centered on making money online. I share tips and strategy that is possible of helping you to make the most amount of money from the internet market. And all you just have to do for me, because I do this thing practically for free, I don't charge you money, is to kindly hit on the subscribe button for me, hit on the bell notification icon, and hit on all. And in case you want to get in touch with me, I'm always active on WhatsApp. You can get in touch with me directly via WhatsApp. Check out this video description below. You're going to find my WhatsApp handle in there, my WhatsApp contact line in there, and all of my social media handles in there as well, and even my email. So until we meet again, guys, I just have to say bye bye. I love you all and peace.